As the estimated time of arrival for the COVID-19 vaccines in Guyana draws closer, Guyana's main health regulatory body is mandated to ensuring that the vaccines are of the same safety, consistency, and potency standards as those being given to first world countries. In carrying out its mandate, the government Analyst Food and Drug Department has begun the study of several vaccines, including those developed by BioNTech, Pfizer, and Moderna. In addition, studies are being conducted on the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is expected emergency approval by the United States Food and Drug Administration this week. The department has so far concluded its study on the Moderna vaccine. In an exclusive interview with Nightly News on Thursday, Director of the Government Analyst Food and Drug Department, Dr. Marlon Cole, disclosed that the department is currently preparing approval documents for the Pfizer vaccine. Dr. Cole pointed out a number of areas which will be monitored during the assessments of the vaccines.
We look at the manufacturing site, the mechanism of action of the vaccine, safety profile. We have to look at the clinical trials, etc.
He stressed that stringent evaluation of the vaccines is important because of the potential risk of substandard and unauthentic medication being manufactured to address COVID-19, considering the financial opportunities. The Government Analyst Food and Drug Department is also tasked with monitoring possible adverse effects caused by the vaccines after they are administered to Guyanese.
We are currently distributing forms to potential vaccine administrators, and if they would record any adverse drugs reaction, they would report it to us, and then we would report it to Carib. Then we would report to the World Health Organization or the Vaccine Reporting Center, Uppsala in Sweden.
While there will be no additional tests of the vaccines in the department's laboratories when they arrive, Dr. Cole informed that inspections will be conducted to ensure that there are no deviations in the composition of the vaccines.
We would examine the label and check for a particular mark for authenticity and ensure we study the manufacturing entity identification mark.
Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony has so far stated that COVID-19 vaccines are expected in Guyana by the second quarter of this year. The vaccines are being accessed through the COVAX facility. He has not confirmed which of the vaccines will be first administered to 3% of the Guyanese population. Timeka Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.